People spotting. Part 5. In the office building. Easy English reading and listening.
I'm hiding from the rain in this office building. Let's see what the people are doing. I can see a cleaner. The cleaner is cleaning the bathroom floor. He is singing while he is mopping the floor. Someone shouts,
"Please, bring me toilet paper."
The cleaner stops mopping and gives the man a roll of toilet paper. The cleaner goes into the office of the top manager and runs the vacuum cleaner.
Could you come back later? I need to make a very important call right now.
I come to the security guard. She watches the monitors which show what is happening in and around the office building. She sees a car that is in the wrong place. She sees the sign on the car, pizza delivery.
Next time, please don't park in the wrong place again.
Okay, I will park in the right place.
Here is the IT guy. He is always busy. Let's see what he is doing. He doesn't mind staying longer. He has no program for the evening and he likes to get extra money. He is here to check the Wi-Fi. It is working at a lower speed than usual. He checks the Wi-Fi. He finds the problem.
Aha! This is the problem. I will fix it in 30 minutes. Then I will go home.
And now let's look at this guy. He isn't working. I wonder why. He is watching videos on the internet. He makes paper airplanes, which he throws around in the office when nobody sees him. He sends text messages to his friends. He posts pictures on social media. He calls his wife.
Do you want to go to Hawaii next summer?
Now, let's go to a hard-working person. He is a young man who loves his work. He is a freelancer. He works for himself. He writes his ideas for a new project. He edits a video for someone. He looks up information for his work. He draws ideas for a logo. He asks for help from the marketing consultant.
What do you think about this design?
Look who is here. Aunt Emma of the Smith family. She got her promotion. I am really happy for her. She thinks about new ways to grow the business. The cleaner comes into her office and starts the vacuum cleaner. She is not happy.
Could you come back later? I need to make a very important call right now.
She speaks with the bank manager about a new project and how much her company can get from the bank. She is happy the bank can lend all the money the company needs. Now let's see what the pizza delivery guy is doing. He brings pizza to the customer service team. He talks to the security guard for directions. He checks if the pizza order is right.
I have your pizza.
Great. We're so hungry.
Enjoy your pizza.
He gets a big tip. He is happy he brings home more money. Let's see what the maintenance guys are doing. They are checking the fire alarm system. The office secretary shows them a broken chair.
This chair is broken.
Let me have a look.
They try to fix it, but they can't.
We need to replace it.
He puts a sign on it saying, "Broken. Don't use it." And here is the customer service team. They are very friendly people who like to help the customers with their problems. They call the IT guy to fix the Wi-Fi issue.
Hello, IT. Please come to check the Wi-Fi. It is very slow.
They talk to customers on the phone. They drink green tea to stay awake. They eat pizza. They get a free pizza every Friday. It is Friday today. And here is a lawyer. She is in the office because another company copied their product. She reads the product documentation. She writes down important things for court. She talks to other lawyers on the phone. She plans what to say in court while looking in the mirror.
I will win this case.
And here is the bank manager. He is here to speak with the top manager. She needs to borrow money from his bank. He is a bit tired, so he drinks coffee. He asks questions about the new project and how much money the company needs. He makes a call to ask his secretary to prepare the documents. He explains how and when the money will be lent and how it will be paid back. He goes to the toilet. When he finishes, he cannot find any toilet paper. He hears the cleaner.
Are you the cleaner?
Yes, I am.
Please bring me some toilet paper.
The cleaner gives him a roll of toilet paper. Who is this beautiful woman? She is a marketing specialist. She is here because the top manager asked her to help. She needs to prepare a marketing plan. They will show it to the bank manager. The company wants to show they have a good plan with the new product. When she is leaving the office, she takes a company umbrella because it is raining outside. She likes the umbrella because it has the company logo, and she advertises the company this way. And who do we see here? He is a young trainee. He still studies at university. He studies finance. He is very ambitious. He does everything his manager asks him. He is happy he can have a job while he is still studying at university. He wants to be a CFO one day in a big international company. He gets a slice of pizza from the customer service team.
Thank you very much. This pizza is a great end to a long day.
And now let's have a look at these people. The man is the HR guy. He is interviewing a woman who wants to work for the company. The company needs new people because it is getting bigger. He asks her many questions.
This is my last question. Can you start on Monday?
After the interview, he shakes her hand. She has got a new job. She is happy because she will get a very good salary. The HR guy is happy because he can go to the gym now. He wants to lift weights to lose some weight. And here is the office secretary. She knows about everything what happens in the office. She helps everyone. She is very busy. She talks with the maintenance guys about the chair. She talks with the IT guy about the Wi-Fi. She leads the bank manager to the top manager's office. She takes the candidate to the HR specialist. I am leaving the office building. I am going to visit a gym. I want to see people do sports and sweat. That is what a gym is for.
I was flying through the office, watching all the work, writing, reading, speaking, so much you have learned. But now it's time to fly away to somewhere new and fun. The gym is waiting for us, come along.